Well, hello my YouTube friends. Today we are back with another video, and this time we are looking at some steam locomotives that is busy taking over Waterkloof Model Railway. I have been fixing a few of these that had developed a bit of problems, and now they're back on the layout. As we are entering Bloemfontein, we're passing the coal mine, and as we round the curve, our first glimpse is of a 19D that has been assigned to haul the Trans-Karoo passenger train, and we will see a bit more of that later. And then we go down the main line on our way to Waterkloof, the main station. And here we are behind East London, and we round the curve. And as we round the curve, Waterkloof will come into view, and to our surprise, two steam locomotives at the platforms in Waterkloof. On the left, the 19D again, and on the right, the class 16DA. The 16DA is hauling a goods train or freight train, and the 19D is still assigned to the passenger train. We are backing into the spur to the harbour, but we are stopping just to have a look at the passenger train running by, hauled by the class 19D. And once that is passed, we shall wait and see if the 16DA will also depart, and yes it does, following the class 19 up to the upper level of the layout. And here we are on the upper level again, and we see that the class 16DA has arrived in Bloemfontein on the main line. In the front is a class 5M electric unit, the suburban train. Now we're back at the lower level looking at Waterkloof, and behind the Waterkloof backdrop is the incline to the upper level, and we have a train coming down that incline that will hopefully come into view shortly. Oh, before that we've got the class 25 running as a light engine, just ran past us, and there's the train coming down from the backdrop, behind the backdrop, again the class 16DA. It will run a complete lap and then end up in Waterkloof station, from where it will depart again. Here we have a view of it in Waterkloof station, just very slightly you can see, and then it is departing back to the upper level. So it has been quite a busy day on Waterkloof Model Railway today. Steam running around in circles. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to be notified